same old hurricane. They get started
in the tropics,
in the ocean,
far from land.
Through the summer,
tropic sunlight
heats the water.
There's no breeze,
air and water
both get warmer.
They get warmer
day by day.
Then the cool air
starts a breeze there.
Hurricane is
on its way.
Warm air funnels
inward, upward,
moving at
increasing speed.
Vapor cools
and condenses,
and the heavy
clouds are formed.
Cloud condensing
heats the air and
makes the air rise
higher still.
Wind increases,
spirals inward,
and the rain comes
pouring down.
Winds are raging
as the air mass
slowly moves
across the sea,
edges towards the
coastal regions,
whipping waves up
crazily.
Though its eye is
calm and gentle,
it's as wild as
it can be.
Hurricane hits
violent city,
in its wake is
tragedy.
A hurricane by any name still remains a hurricane. Betty, Cora, Esther, Jane, it's the same old hurricane.
At 6:10 a.m. on Monday, August 29th, a Category 4 hurricane named Katrina made landfall on the Louisiana coast, laying waste to everything in its path. Where did this catastrophic storm come from? On August 24th, the temperature of the ocean off the coast of the Bahamas hovered around 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Warm, moist air was rising from the ocean surface. As the air rose, it condensed to form a system of thunderstorms. This condensation releases heat, which warms the cool air of the atmosphere, causing it to rise. As that air rises, more warm, moist air from the ocean takes its place. This creates a cycle which continuously moves heat from the ocean to the atmosphere. The motion creates a pattern of wind that begins to circulate and forms a center. Occasionally, one such spinning wheel of thunderstorms gathers strength, feeding on moisture and heat. When the winds of Tropical Depression 12 hit 39 miles per hour, Tropical Storm Katrina was born. Most severe tropical storms spin out their lives uneventfully in the open sea. Some, like Katrina, are destined for landfall. She moved slowly, sometimes as slow as 6 miles per hour, but she was getting stronger and heading toward Florida. Katrina was only a Category 1 hurricane when it glanced off the Florida coast and spun out into the Gulf of Mexico. In the Gulf, the water hit a steamy 87 degrees Fahrenheit. These warmer waters caused Katrina to grow even more intense. After 3 days swirling over the Gulf, Katrina grew to a Category 5 hurricane, with winds whipping at a sustained 160 miles per hour. Before it would make landfall, Katrina would be downgraded to a Category 4, but that was little consolation. With sustained winds near 155 miles per hour and a storm surge over 20 feet high, Katrina was still the most destructive storm to hit the area in 36 years. Once over land, Katrina dealt a mighty and devastating blow to Louisiana and Mississippi. At the same time, robbed of the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, the storm began to weaken. 12 hours after landfall, Katrina was no longer a hurricane, with maximum sustained winds of only 65 miles per hour. A few short hours later, the only thing left of Katrina was the destruction in her wake.